It's been a while since he has left. Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you. In advance, for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. Now I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's your someday. I know I got a lot of stuff, and honestly it makes me terrified of showing it to you. But my best friend always says that if you're right for me, you'll never leave, and I'm hoping that it's true. So baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday.
I thought it was better to wallow and swallow my pride and admit that my life was feeling so hollow and I couldn't handle it. So I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist, and I talked through all of my problems till they started to shrink a bit. Well, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out, talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing, and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of place. Oh, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to